G'day RPG makers, welcome to the RPG Maker MV Game Dev channel. Let's make a game.
Welcome back to the RPG Maker MV official tutorial walkthrough series. Let's go on to Step 3. Help, Tutorial, Step 3, Start Tutorial. Reminder that you can stop and start over at any time by clicking Help and Stop. Do you have the project we finished in Step 2? Yes, we do. Let's load that up. Click Game, Open, back in our wonderful map. Now we're going to start the tutorial. We're going to choose our normal town. In this step we're going to learn how to move NPC events. So we created our character last time, let's make it move around. You can move events using autonomous movement or you can set movement routes. What we're going to do now is just set up some autonomous movement so they can move by themselves. So we'll first find where our character was placed. That was right here. You can do Event Searcher and you can search for Villager 1. This is just in case you have lost your event, and that's why it is a good idea to name your events. Click Next. When you're done, click Search, and there they are. Okay, click 19. They're at 1933. So we double click on our villager on 1933. Open that up. This is where we were at last time. We can set autonomous movement. So we're going to choose random autonomous movement. That means that they will randomly move around by themselves. Click OK. Click Save. And we can start a playtest. Check that the villager 1 is moving randomly. New game. And there they go. We can talk to her exactly as before. And she's happy. If we go up over here, she'll just wander around by herself in the village. And at any time, we can come in and have a chat with her. And she'll say exactly the same thing because she only has one thing to say. If you didn't catch the quality of life improvement last time, which is just getting rid of the splash screen, once again that's Tools, Plugin Manager, splash screen, double click that, set it to off. Next, we'll make a character that repeatedly moves in the same places. So let's make a character that walks around the statue in town. Click under the statue in the center of town, make sure the coordinate is 1923. Okay, so here we once again, here's our coordinates. This is 1925, 1924, and 1923. Double click 1923 and open the event. We're going to set up a new character. This time we're going to use the Actor 2 sprite sheet, and we're going to choose the woman facing to the right in the bottom right. The animations are very the sprites are very similar here, but the one in the middle is the one that is standing still. So choose the one in the bottom right, standing still, facing right. We'll call this statue character so that if we need to, we can find it later on, or statue circular in this case, as they've suggested. What we're going to do is make her move. We'll click page 1 and show text, and we'll say something like, I'm circling the statue. Click Next and OK. Now we're going to make her walk around the statue. First of all, we're going to set her speed to normal, so she walks a little bit more normally, and set this to highest, so she moves, each movement is done as fast as possible. We're going to set the custom movement type, and we're going to choose a route. Click a movement command on the right, it'll be added to the list on the left. So what we're going to do is set movement commands in here. The events are added here, and you can delete or insert extra events. So we're going to move right, move up, move up, move left, move left, move down, move down, move down, and move right. This is what it should look like. If you have made a mistake, you can just use delete on your keyboard to delete, and start again. Move down, move down, move down, move right. If you missed one, you can right click and you can actually add it or paste it, but if you click on it, okay, for example, you want to add another little left in here. If you missed one of the move lefts, you can add a move left in here, and it will add it above the one that you clicked on. So it should look like this. Move right, move up, and here we've missed one. Move up, move left, move down, move down, move down, and move right. Make sure the repeat movements is checked. Now she'll circle the statue forever. And we do not want her to change her route. So we do not tick skip if cannot move. Click OK to set the movement route. And click OK. And once again, we're going to playtest. So we'll click save and play. New game. So this is our original lady, and up here is our statue circler. And she's running around the statue. It is working properly. That's the end of step 3 of the tutorial. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider smashing that like and subscribe buttons, as they do help with the algorithm. Now it's time for you to go and make your game. See you in the next one.